Let's start phonic sound letter A to Z. Phonic sound letter A to Z. A, A, A. A, A, A. A as in apple. A as in ant. A as in aeroplane. B, B, B. B, B, B. B as in book. B as in balloons. B as in banana. B as in bag. C, C, K. C, C, K. K as in can. K as in cactus. K as in carrot. K as in canvas. D, D, D. D, D, D. D as in dog. D as in duck. D as in dolphin. D as in drum. E, E, A. E, E, A. A as in elephant. A as in engine. A as in envelope. A as in X. F, F, F. F as in flower. F as in frog. F as in fox. F as in fig. G, G, G. G, G, G. G as in grapes. G as in guitar. G as in girl. H, H, H. H, H, H. H as in hat. H as in heart. H as in house. H as in hammer. I, E. I, E. E as in ink. E as in iron. E as in igloo. E, J, J, J. J, J, J. J as in jelly. J as in jug. J as in jeep. J as in jellyfish. K, K, K. K, K, K. K as in kettle. K as in kite. K as in key. K as in kangaroo. L, L, L. L, L, L. L as in leaf. L as in lemon. L as in lion. L as in lion. M, M, M. M, M, M. M as in monkey. M as in music. M as in mouse. M as in melon. N, N, N. N, N, N. N as in nest. N as in necklace. N as in neck. N as in nail. O, O, O. O, O, O. O as in octopus. O as in owl. O as in orange. O as in onion. P, P, P. P, P, P. P as in pumpkin. P as in paintbrush. P as in pear. P as in pencil. Q, Q, Q. Q, Q, Q. Q as in queen. Qua as in quiet. Qua as in quiet. Qua as in quarter. Qua as in quarter. R R R. R R R. R as in ring. R as in rat. R as in rose. R as in rose. S S S. S S S. S as in sun. S as in strawberry. S as in ship. S as in snake. T T T. T T T. T as in tomato. T as in tiger. T as in teddy. T as in tree. U U U U as in umbrella. U as in uniform. U as in unicorn. U as in UFO. V V V. V V V. V as in vase. V as in vulture. V as in van. V as in weenie. W W V. W W V. V as in watermelon. V as in well. V as in window. V as in vent. X X. X X X. X as in Xmas tree. X as in X-ray. X as in xylophone. X as in xylophone. Y Y Y. Y Y Y. Y as in yak. Y as in yoga. Y as in yam. Y as in yach. Z Z Z Z. Z as in zebra. Z as in zip. Z as in zoo. Z as in zigzag. Thank you.